I'll walk you through how to install WordPress on Cloudways in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Cloudways account if you don't have one yet. Head over to cloudways.com and sign up. They offer a free trial so you can test it out. Once logged in, click on the launch button to start a new server. Next, select your cloud provider, DigitalOcean, Vultr, or Google Cloud. Then choose the server, size, and location closest to your audience. Under application, select WordPress from the list. You can also choose WordPress with WooCommerce if you're setting up an online store. Give your server and application a name, then click Launch Now. Cloudways will take a few minutes to set up your server and install WordPress automatically. When it's done, go to the Applications tab and click on your WordPress app. Here you'll find your admin login URL, username, and password. Click the admin URL, log in with your credentials, and you're ready to start customizing your WordPress site. That's it. WordPress installed and ready on your Cloudways in under 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and check the descriptions for more Cloudway tutorials.